So let's switch over now and look at this weekly chart of silver. So for those of you that are new to our work, this is cycle analysis, and on the bottom you see those cycle brackets. Those are those half moons. They are a drawing tool, and they help us to understand the rhythmic motion in the market. So this great big cycle right in here, that we call that the dominant. This is the intermediate right here, and there is a minor. We're looking at the black ones in here, and the gold ones, well, those are gold. So we have silver overlaid with the gold cycle, and they were all nesting right in here. There was a period of nesting right in here, and that brought a big rally. The same thing right over here. So when the cycles come down is when there's downside risk. When they move up is when there's upside potential. So let's talk about where we are right now in the silver market as I blow this up a little bit. So we have a market that rallied up here. It got close to that 78.6% right over at that level, and then reversed, and then gave you this engulfing pattern actually. Now it's come down into support, and the short term has broken some supports, but you can see the intermediate term here on the weekly chart is moving into this kind of lower support zone right over here. There is an expectation now that the short-term breakdown is going to bring declines through the end of the month. That would mean another something like 2 to 3 weeks of potential downside. If it holds in this support zone right over here, it could be in good shape and then be moving up again. I have this highlighted in yellow right over here so that you can see that there is a similar occurrence right over here. After these cycles made their bottoms in here and then moved up, this had a rally and then a pullback. Now, it wasn't as steep as we're seeing right in here. This is not a violation on the intermediate pattern. It is the potential for this being a shakeout in the intermediate pattern. And once that short-term pattern bottoms in the next 2 to 3 weeks, it's possible that the silver market will be moving up sharply again after that, just as it did right over here. You could see that 4-week rally of some significance where silver went from $15 up to $18.50, a very significant percentage increase, and that could come right out over here. So we're looking at a 1 to 3 month view, and our 1 month view really is that it comes down in bottoms and then begins to move up for a couple of months after that, as long as these things hold above key levels. So we don't want to see silver get below here, which is around 23.10. That's still a long way down. This bottom of this support level here, which it got close to, is at around 24.25. So it's 24.80 right now. It's still not in any danger, and our sense is that it will hold in here, and then we're going to get a good long side trade up in here. But if gold breaks down, it's going to be a very significant problem. We'll call silver still okay and potentially putting up a very good opportunity to be a long side trade in the silver market. 1 to 3 month view for silver.